So there are tons of niches you can get into when selling on Etsy, but in today's video, I'll be sharing with you the top niches that are evergreen niches that could help you sell all year round. And if you focus on these specific niches and how to design for them, they can easily help you make sales all year round with Etsy. So in today's video, I'll share with you these top niches you should start designing for and how to create them to start selling on your Etsy shop. I'm gonna share this all with you coming up next. We are definitely going to jump into Printify, which is a perfect place to actually sell these products with Printify and Etsy. How this works is very simple, where you can connect your Etsy shop to your Printify account. You simply create the design, and once you list it well on Etsy with great mockups and keywords, Printify will have all the information from your customer, like what product they purchased, what size, what color, their shipping address, even the overall price, and they will make sure to do all the heavy lifting for you. This is probably one of the most easiest ways for you to really be hands off when it comes down to a physical based business like selling t-shirts. So if you do want to get started with Printify, again, we're going to create some t-shirts using this, but they have a lot of products for you to create. They have over 1,000 products for you to jump in and use. You can get started absolutely for free, creating and designing along with me. So again, I'll make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below. And as we are in Printify, we can head over to catalog here. And for our examples today, again, we'll be looking at t-shirts, but there's a lot of products, again, you can sell. We definitely start creating these for t-shirts. So I like to head over to t-shirts, and I like to focus on the Bella Plus Canvas 3001 series. And Printify makes it really easy for you to get started with a Printify choice. You're going to find the best product at the best quality and a product that is always there in stock. So with that being said, we'll go ahead and hit start designing. We see the price here. And when you start designing for your product, you definitely want to make sure that you head over to the letter I, and just to make sure that whatever canvas you are designing for is going to fit within the space here, 3951 by 4800 pixel. Every product is different, so just make sure you do that. So whenever you create your products, it is going to be placed perfectly in the space and at the right resolution so that you get the highest print quality when you are creating your designs. You can see here this came out to be 300 DPI, and again our design matched up perfectly within our box, which is going to be the same system we use for all of our designs we create for today's video. All right, so the first niche that is going to do extremely well all year round, that can easily help you make sales, is the book lover niche or the reading club niche. This is so huge because when we talk about creating for evergreen niches, one of the areas that we oftentimes miss are those hobbies, those pastime activities. As you can see, we're only highlighting bestsellers for this particular niche, but there are a ton of bestsellers, and mostly with this niche, you'll find that there's also popular phrases that can be tied into the book lover niche or the reading club niche. So like this example here, which has been a popular phrase all around, where it says, I have no shelf control. We can see this adding in a popular phrase, a funny phrase in regards to the book lover niche, but this can definitely be something that we can redesign and recreate in our own unique way. This is also a popular best-selling product here. This product sold over 2,000 products in the last 30 days. This one here sold over 50 products in the last 30 days. And when we are talking about the book lover niche, this is a niche that can really cross over into other areas. We can create this for book lovers and Valentine's Day, our book lover in Christmas. There's a lot of crossovers here, but we can also cross over the book lover niche to another hobby or another interest. And we can see this being done here where it says books and coffee. This is one of the easiest ways for you to really cross niche or cross blend niches together to really create something well. Again, everything we're talking about on today's list is a best selling product. And really with some of these designs here, they don't really have to be crazy, right? We can see this simple text design has done extremely well, only been around for 6 months. This design here as well is very simple, only been around for a short time, but it's still making sales. And here's another great example of what I mean by cross niching things together. Obviously, we're still focusing on the book lover niche or the book club niche. And one of the popular elements to do extremely well all over Etsy is bringing in some type of goose or geese in the design. And we can see that easily being done here with this product. It says in the last 30 days, this could easily be a crossover into other areas as well. So if you were thinking about creating anything that could gain you sales throughout the entire year, I would definitely encourage you to spend some time in the book lover niche. Definitely spend some time identifying some popular phrases like this one here, just one more book. We can see this also being done in another type of way where it says just one more chapter. And remember how I said cross niching things together can do extremely well. Here's a great example of this again, this phrase coffee and books. This can really be any crossover. It could be cats in books or plants in books. There's a lot that we can cross over here that I think can do extremely well. And with that being said, in order for us to create these, I'm going to use one thing that is part of my workflow for all of my business models. It is my Creative Prompt AI tool. So we're going to go all the way down to Remix Studio here. And we're going to select this t-shirt pre-prompt here, which is going to take care of any major prompt we need to put in. We're going to select the background color to be white. And instead of us putting in a long, complex prompt, we're going to simply put in a reference image so that the AI model knows the style we want, the overall niche we're targeting, and really create a variation from that. We can start selling on Etsy, which again will make it extremely easy for us to really have some great outcomes. I'll go ahead and plug in a reference image we grabbed over from Etsy here. And now I'm able to scale this in a little bit more just to highlight the area I want the AI to focus on. Now, again, we're not going to create this as a copy, but we are going to take this as a design element to really reference and then merge it over into something else. So now we have our design here, but now with us putting in this prompt with the reference image and just changing this up a little bit, this is what we were able to get. And I think that came out well. That's how easy it is just to change these things up to really fit into a different niche or a different category or a particular style. And I think this can do extremely well. Now, another great place to target is the traveling niche. I think this is one that a lot of people miss and really something people do all throughout the year. But as you can see here, just in the traveling niche, this is also bringing in popular phrases that I think can do extremely well for us also. Like this shirt here that says travel is my therapy. As easy as that design is, that is definitely selling. We can see 55 people bought this in the last 30 days. And again, this could be applied just not to an airplane. We can change it out to be a boat. We can change it out to be a train. All this is related to travel. Again, we can definitely change these things up, add in another popular phrase here, bring in some more color to this design. But definitely as you go down a little bit further, you can see so many opportunities to bring in popular phrases. This one here, I haven't been everywhere, but it's on my list. Again, that could definitely be a huge opportunity for us to create and sell different type of products. So jumping back into my Creative Prompt tool, we're going to once again select this pre-made prompt for t-shirts. We're going to plug in a reference image just so we can have an identifier so the AI knows what to follow in regards to a model. And then we're going to use a secondary reference image just for us to identify a different type of style here. So instead of us having the mountains in the background, it's just being black and white. We definitely want to add in some things related to a cruise life, which I think could be perfect for our design. And here are some great examples of what we were able to get. As you can see, our two reference images down here, which I think is very helpful when you're trying to land the style and just the overall niche. And then we were able to get these designs as a result. And I think these came out well. As you can see here, this one says, I haven't been everywhere, but it's on my list. A lot of opportunities here to really expand this out into different areas, but definitely one that I think will be great moving forward in this year. This is perfect for us when we're trying to create our print on demand product, and definitely would be one I would sell moving forward in the new year as well. So moving on to our other niche, we're definitely going to talk about the animal niche, and more specifically for the dog mom and the cat mom. I think both of these can do equally well. Again, this is still going to bring in the things we talked about in regards to designs and popular phrases, and also merging two things over together. Here's a great example of this that we already mentioned before with coffee and books, but here we see cats and coffee, which again is another way to cross these two things together. Here are some great designs in the cat niche, all bestsellers here. Again, this has sold 143 times just in the last year or so. And as you can see, it's definitely bringing in that coffee and cat niche, but definitely bringing in some popular phrases like nope, not today, which has been done really everywhere. But when you bring in these two things together, as you can see, that can be a powerhouse when it comes down to these designs. Silhouette type of designs have also done well, specifically with adding in a design in the background. 124 products have sold extremely well here. This one here is bringing in a funny corgi shirt, but has done extremely well. 167 sales in the past 30 days. Definitely one we can recreate for a different dog breed, but still stay within the bounds of what is working. Here is a design that has done extremely well. This has been around for 21 months, made 106 sales in the last 30 days. This one says easily distracted by dogs and books. Here's another example here of bringing in that dog niche over into the reading niche. Again, cross niching is going to be extremely helpful for us in this area moving forward. All right, so we definitely pulled over the reference image regarding this cat. I think that came out extremely well, but remember, we don't want to copy what's here. We want to look at what is working and change this up to fit in a new niche, bring in some new design styles. This cat here definitely is bringing in things regarding to the forest and side of that silhouette type of style. Here's a simple prompt we were able to put in here. We said make the silhouette of a corgi and make sure you put books in the background inside of the corgi using the same style as a reference image. We're able to put in some very simple remixes here, and it changes the game when we're trying to sell print on demand. So here's the example of what we were able to get. I think this came out extremely well. Definitely brought in some phrases here, lost in books, a reader's best friend. It brought in the silhouette of that corgi. And as you can see, different type of retro type of books inside of the corgi. I think this came out well. We switched this over, remixed this into a new space, a new style, and definitely could be a game changer when we're trying to sell these type of products. So definitely get into the dog niche, definitely get into the cat niche. I think these honestly are easy winners. And here's another example of how we use this reference image here with these cats. I think that came out great. And we just said switches out to be corgis and coffee in space, and this is what we were able to get. And as you can see, I think that came out extremely well. But if you want to change it up a little bit more, we can definitely add in a secondary image here. We can see how much of a difference we were able to get utilizing these two images. And as you can see, that definitely brought in some color here. That's how really easy it is to really get some great print on demand products you can start using with Printify and Etsy, and definitely start creating these designs here. Again, this brought in the corgi style of the image that we used, brought in the coffee style. Again, very easy to do, not having to put in any large prompts. Definitely saves me so much time, and definitely really allows me to land the plane in regards to that image style I'm looking for and that I know that works. And the last niche that I think could do extremely well moving forward is jumping over into the inspiration niche, or in our case today, the Christian niche. We could definitely cross niche with the Bible or the Christian themes with the season trends, but just having anything related to Bible themes or Bible phrases can do extremely well. Here we are again on Etsy in the Christian niche, focusing on best-selling t-shirts, and there's multiple products that's selling in this space here. If you have not created anything in this space yet, I think you're losing out on probably one of the highest top evergreen niches you can start creating and selling for in this year. And this is what I mean by cross niching over, just not into the season of Christmas, but moving over into Valentine's Day with Christian themes. This can do extremely well. Right here it is with the Valentine's Day product here, bringing in the cross with a very popular phrase, but clearly is also tied into Valentine's Day. But again, we have some other things here that is just really evergreen, like this type of floral design here, still focused on the Christian niche. This is another example of bringing in wildlife or sea life into the Christian niche as well. We can see this design is bringing in the whale along with the popular verse from Isaiah. So again, a lot here that you can cross these over, bridge into new areas. Again, this one bringing in the floral type of niche. 76 sales in the last 30 days. Here is a very simple shirt, 104 sales in the last 30 days. This one here, 213 sales in the last 30 days. This one here, 249 sales in the last 30 days. We can go on and look at this data and really see some huge opportunities for us to merge in. Again, great opportunities here to scale and grow your product. So here we are back in our creative prompt tool again for our final design today. We're going to select our pre-prompt for t-shirt with a white background. We want to go ahead and change this up, again, following that same type of pattern, but change this up to be for a Valentine's Day theme. I think this could do extremely well. All right, so using these two reference images here, we use this for the color and the overall theme here. And we definitely want to use that type of text structure with that doodle type of style letters. Here is an example of a design we were able to get. This one just definitely merged over to Valentine's Day over to the Christian niche that can do extremely well. Here is another example of a design we were able to get. You can see it definitely brought in that type of text and art style and font style in regards to this design, but definitely merged over in the Valentine's Day colors we talked about that we definitely want to create. And I think these both came out extremely well when we're merging in two different designs, definitely for the Christian niche, where these type of designs are clearly doing extremely well. And again, we were able to do all of this by simply putting in a reference image and definitely get some great examples of products we can start creating and selling on our Etsy shop today. Just like this example of this Evergreen Bible verse shirt here, made 107 sales in the last 30 days, been around for about 10 months. And here is our version of this. And I think that came out extremely well. Definitely one that brings in the type of animal theme here. Definitely bring in a Bible verse at the bottom. I think that could do extremely well for us. Here is another example of this as well. I think that came out great. And definitely tons of opportunities for us to create and sell these for our Etsy shop. So as you can see, there are a lot of opportunities to create and sell these type of products. If you want to go further and faster and utilize the same system I have used to create and sell these type of products, you check out all my links down in my description box below so you know how to create these and start selling these for your Etsy shop. Check out this next video here where I was able to make hundreds of these designs within a few short moments utilizing the same system. If you want to watch that next step, click this next video here and subscribe to my channel to learn more. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.